NutriBiotic, sodium ascorbate, crystalline powder, 16 ounces, 454 grams. Product overview description. Where science works naturally buffered vitamin C dietary supplement, vegan and hypoallergenic, pH 7.1, made without gluten or GMOs, naturally fresh, nitropack, bacteria-free environment, pharmaceutical grade. Measure of acidity, alkalinity, neutral pH is 7.0. NutriBiotic sodium ascorbate is a non-bitter, non-acidic, fully reacted, buffered vitamin C in a highly soluble form. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient that cannot be produced by the body, therefore, it must be replenished daily. Vitamin C has several beneficial purposes, including developing and maintaining healthy skin and bones, and plays important roles in many biochemical reactions. Vitamin C provides support to the body's immune system by protecting cells from oxidative stresses. NutriBiotic sodium ascorbate is manufactured by dissolving pharmaceutical-grade ascorbic acid with sodium bicarbonate, derived from seawater. Sodium helps regulate the amount of water in the body. It also aids the movement of sodium into and out of cells, which plays a critical role in many bodily functions. The sodium in this product differs from common table salt in that it is not combined with chloride, the salt most often associated with hypertension. Suggested use. As a dietary supplement, mix 1/4 teaspoon or more into a glass of juice or water. Take with or without meals, or as directed by a licensed healthcare professional. Other ingredients. None. Made without common food allergens such as milk, soy, egg, yeast, and wheat. Contains no rosehips, animal products, fillers, excipients, lubricants, binders, starch, colorings, flavorings, or preservatives. Our promise and guarantee: we use only 100% pure pharmaceutical grade sodium ascorbate USP/FCC, C6H7Na6, which contains no corn residue, plant antigens, or protein impurities. Individuals allergic to corn or yeast can use this product with confidence. United States Pharmacopoeia, Food Chemical Codex. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.